Alright, you've seen the title, How I Moved to Thailand with Video Editing. And it is real, I don't believe it either, but I live in paradise now and that's pretty wicked.
It is real.
Now, it all started when I was watching YouTube videos in my bed just like you were doing. And I just stumbled upon this video by Jack Hopkins. Now, he was by the pool. What the fuck's pool? It was just a video where he was by the pool saying, hey, this is where I work. But it kind of inspired me and lit a fire inside me.
Check this out. This is the work spot. Look at this. This is where we come to work. You're crazy.
Now, I kind of failed university and I moved back to Istanbul from London to live with my parents and hopefully save up some money to deploy towards my goals, work on my online business, all that kind of stuff. But I was living with my parents and I just felt like so trapped. I was in a small cramped bedroom and it felt like hell. I was losing my sanity in there. The rent is so much there and I was literally squatting in a crack house with my best friend. It was good days, but we didn't have no electricity in some rooms and we did not have access to hot water. So for the most of my life, my housing situation was pretty bad. And I just wake up, work a bit, go to the gym, and I'd see these guys on YouTube just watch these videos. Oh, epic motorbike trip, you know, going to the waterfall, enjoying life. While I was there in a small bedroom just eating McDonald's and wanking into my hand. So it kinda didn't really feel good. In all honesty, I'd say my life was pretty fucking shit, which really isn't a fulfilling and fun life after day like 300. It becomes hell. But then I saw Sam Harbonated. Now this guy's a video editor as well. He runs his own business and he moved to Thailand with his business, I believe. But he started with video editing as well. So then I was like, you know what? How much is a plane ticket? So this might be the dumbest thing I've ever done. I am just going to book a fucking plane flight to Koh Samui. This is a really long flight. 300 pounds. Should I get the cheapest flight? I don't know. Fucking hell. I'm kind of like scared now. No refunds. No coverage. 334 pounds. I am shitting my pants right now. Fuck. Moving to a foreign country on a whim. Like I'm literally shaking. Okay. So I've just booked the fucking plane ticket. I've only got 20 quid left in my account now. Fuck. I think I just locked myself in. And just in 2 hours, I just changed my whole life. I was moving to Thailand, I guess. Well, what did I do? It was pretty scary. You don't really change countries on a whim, do you? After booking the plane flight, I had just one issue. I had nowhere to stay. So, this guy just paid me before the video was out so that I could book the fucking house. Yo, shouts out to Lockdown Life and my friend Aries. Chad fucking editor. Alright, you can move to Thailand with video editing fucking money. I'm doing it right now. You can fucking move to paradise with just doing this shit. Alright? And it's sorted. Reservation confirmed. I'm going to Tambon Maret. So it's all done. And because, you know, I'm trying to be a YouTuber and you're helping me, thanks for watching this video, by the way. I spent some money on a camera, this microphone, some lights that you don't see, but it helps you see me. By the way, comment below if you like the new setup. You know, I tried to up quality. I spent £1,000 in a couple days and now I was at zero. I had zero money and I was moving to Thailand in 18 days. Well, I've got to work in. 5:36 a.m. right now and I've just been editing videos whole day and night. I'm working endless hours, but you know, I get to move to Thailand, I get to move to Koh Samui. I think today I've done $200 worth of video. I've finished up a video, gonna pay me $250, $450. Work hard, fucking get paid. I mean, I have so much work to do. Like so many clients just wanna fucking work with me that I actually don't wanna work with any other more clients anymore. And just in about a week, I was up $700. Whew, I was saved, and it was all thanks to video editing and the skills and systems that I've developed along my journey. Now, if you don't know me, hello, my name is Tuna, and I'm a professional video editor with over 110 million views and have been working with really high-level clients.
Tuna's been a great editor.
Tuna is a good editor.
And making a living from video editing from over the last 2 years or so. I work whenever I want and wherever I want, and I don't got a boss over my head telling me what to do. And I figured I'd start the Chad Editor YouTube channel to help you become a Chad editor and make a living online, you know, in an unconventional way where you don't have to flip burgers for a living. So subscribe if you want. Or not, I don't care. You know, dude, it'll make me a bit happy. Be really grateful if you did. I was able to make this amount of money quickly with video editing because I've developed systems and ways of doing things over the years that I have been working. For example, today I had to put a down payment for my rent. I'm renting a new house and I needed to make around $300-400 or something. And just like that, today I made $190 and tomorrow I'll make $200 as well. And this kind of working allows me to just chill for a couple days and, you know, make this YouTube video for free to help you people. You know, life's kind of alright and bearable. And because I work from my laptop, I am location and time independent, meaning that I can work anywhere I want and anytime I want. If I wake up at like 2 p.m. in the afternoon, which I don't want to, but you know, sometimes you do, it gives you the freedom that you wouldn't have with a job. So when the day of my flight hit, I was excited and happy, but I was also a bit scared of anxious as well. You know, because I just bought a ticket on a whim. Was I really gonna be able to do this? How was Thailand Koh Samui gonna be like? Well, let me tell you, man. What a smart boy he is. I told him to stay in there. Stay out, get the fuck out! Out! God. It was the best decision that I've ever made. Here, I fucking love it. Having the time of my life. Now, the footage you see, I go to festivals maybe like once a year. I smoke once a year. I'm not telling you to do this, but I've done it. Just showing you. Okay, I'm not some stoner. And everything here is so cheap. You know, I can fuel up my motorbike for £3. And the motorbike I am renting, I'm just getting it for £65 a month. Isn't that insane? I live in a big house, I work online, and I can just walk to the beach in 1 minute. Like, my life here is awesome, and I've done it, and you can do it too. And on top of that, girls here are super friendly as well. Like, on my 3rd day, I got invited to an orgy. Now, I didn't go because I didn't have to go. But, you know, life here is great. It's all I'm saying. And you can do this too. Not the orgy part. Maybe if you're into that. I'm not judging. Maybe I am a bit, but do whatever you want. Anyway, like, you can do this because I am not some YouTuber with like thousands of subs that's making money from his YouTube. I do what I tell you to do. I'm a small YouTuber. I've only made like 15 euros from this channel so far. You know, you can do this, and you can do this for well under $1,000. And I'm gonna do a cost breakdown of everything so that you can understand that you can really do this. So renting a motorbike here, you don't have great public transportation, but you don't need to, trust me. Have motorbike, it's freedom, you're gonna love it. That's gonna be $85 a month. Now for the housing, you can get a really good house for around $300. I'm moving on to like a $600 one next month, but my friend is coming over, so that's why. So $300 for the housing, you get a really big house, you're gonna have your own kitchen, all that stuff next to the beach. $300, okay? And for food, if you don't eat like a pig at McDonald's, you can pretty much get by on like $100 a month, because a kilo of chicken is like $2, so you should be fine with that. Visa extension, now that will be around $100 to $200 once every 2 months, so let's add that on as well. And just miscellaneous, anything goes here. Let's put $200 there as well. Like, I got a new phone, really amazing phone for like $250, so everything's really cheap here. And a gym membership, let's put that on because you go to the gym, right? Everyone's gonna go to the gym. That's $40. So all in all, you can live a really good life here for well under $1,000. But if you want a ball like I do, if you're making 2K, 3K, you basically a god and you're untouchable. And to make $1,000 would only require you to do one long form YouTube video a month at $250 per video. That's $250 a week. Do you really not think you can make $250 once a week? If you can just get one video editing client, you can live like I am living, or you know, those guys on YouTube are living. This is like genuinely realistic. The dream is real. I've done it. And as I said, I only have 1,600 subscribers. I am not some rich YouTuber. Just 2 years ago, I was squatting in a crack house, and my parents are poor. In fact, my dad got me 15,000 in debt without me noticing because he had access to my accounts and I was too young. My parents, actually, I have to pay them, and I also have to pay the debt that I'm in because of my dad. And my parents can't even afford like food, so I have to pay them as well. So I'm not rich in any way. If I can do it, I am from Turkey as well, which is like not a first world country. If I can do it, how can you not do it, man? The dream is real. This is all real. And if you want to achieve your own freedom working from your laptop 2 or 3 days a week, anywhere you want, anytime you want, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel, dude. That's the kind of stuff I teach. So subscribe if you want, or like the video, all that good stuff. In fact, if you're watching to this far, just go in the comments, comment algo, it'll help me out. If you want to get started on your video editing journey, I am launching a completely free course on Premiere Pro where you learn how to edit a YouTube video 100% for free. In this course, I don't sell you anything. I'm just giving it out because I'm a good guy. So click the link in the description. The course link will be there. You can sign up for it completely free. Again, I don't sell you anything. And in fact, if you're skeptical, the reason that I am doing it is because you're gonna like the course so much and you're gonna be like, oh my god, if this stuff is free, let me check out his paid stuff. And you know, once I release some paid stuff, you'll probably buy it because my free stuff is fucking wicked. It's fucking amazing. It's fucking class, man. So, you know, sign it up completely free to start making some awesome YouTube videos. With that being said, once you start making your YouTube videos, you're probably gonna want people to watch them or like them. So click the video right here where I teach you exactly how to make a really great YouTube intro that gets tons of views and keeps people watching. So click right here, and thanks for watching this one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Boom.